Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Terraform is a popular infrastructure as code tool that enables users to manage and provision Azure resources. In this guide, we will explore tips for using Terraform with Azure Synapse. First, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Terraform and Azure Synapse. Terraform uses configuration files to define and manage infrastructure resources. Azure Synapse, on the other hand, provides a unified analytics platform for data integration and analysis. To get started with Terraform and Azure Synapse, users need to install Terraform and configure their Azure credentials. This can be done by creating a Terraform configuration file that defines the Azure provider and sets up the necessary credentials. Once the setup is complete, users can start defining their Azure Synapse resources using Terraform. This includes creating a Synapse workspace and defining the necessary resources such as data lakes and pipelines. Terraform provides a range of built-in resources for Azure Synapse, including Azure Synapse Workspace and Azure Synapse Firewall rule. One of the key benefits of using Terraform with Azure Synapse is the ability to manage and version control infrastructure resources. This allows users to track changes and collaborate with team members more effectively. It also enables users to automate the deployment of Azure Synapse resources using Terraform scripts. Best practices for using Terraform with Azure Synapse include keeping configuration files organized and modular. This makes it easier to manage and maintain infrastructure resources over time. Users should also use Terraform modules to reuse code and simplify the configuration process. In terms of practical examples, users can create a Terraform configuration file that defines a Synapse workspace and data lake. They can then use Terraform to deploy and manage these resources in Azure. Users can also use Terraform to automate the deployment of data pipelines and other analytics resources. In conclusion, using Terraform with Azure Synapse provides a powerful way to manage and provision analytics resources. By following best practices and using Terraform configuration files, users can simplify the deployment and management of Azure Synapse resources. This enables users to focus on data analysis and business insights rather than infrastructure management.